Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Firstrade account step by step clearly. To activate your Firstrade account, begin by visiting the Firstrade website. Locate the sign in button on the top right corner of the home page. Click on the sign in button to be directed to the login page. If you have already registered, enter your email address and password. If you have not yet registered, look for the Open an Account option on the login page. Click on Open an Account to start the registration process. Fill out the required personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Choose your account type, whether individual or joint. Next, provide your employment details and financial background. Review the account agreements and disclosures provided on the screen. Check the box indicating that you agree to the terms and conditions. Click on the Submit button to complete your application. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after submitting your application. Check your email for the confirmation message from Firstrade. Follow the instructions provided in the email to confirm your account. Once confirmed, return to the Firstrade login page. Enter your email address and password to log into your account. After logging in, you may be prompted to set up additional security features. Follow the prompts to enhance the security of your account. Once setup is complete, you will have access to your Firstrade account. You can now begin trading and managing your investments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.